I heard a gentleman just going on about how he's going to hurt my daughter and do some things to her.
Okay. Well, who was making that phone call to you?
Oh, that was Eddie.
How do you know that? How did you come to find out that that was Eddie Hicks making this phone call to you?
He was just talking on, and when he started just talking, he didn't say this is Eddie, but you know, he said that he was with Dee, so that was her boyfriend at the time. Like I said, I used to live in Dubuque, so I know a lot of people here.
Okay.
And a lady from my church, she called me, and she said, I don't know what's going on. She said, but the police and the ambulance is by Kahdyesha's house.
Okay.
And I called Dubuque jail, and they had told me that, yes, Kahdyesha had been transported to the hospital.
Okay.
Also, we've heard testimony today that there was some cooling off period between the time at which the telephone call was placed until the time at which this case came to a head on the 16th. We heard testimony today from Ms. Phillips that indicated that Eddie called her again, that he talked to her, that he was not exhibiting some of these threats. We believe that the transcript will show that this conversation is extremely prejudicial. In my motion to resist the county attorney's motion to enter into evidence this audio, we list the reasons that it's prejudicial, Your Honor. We list the reasons as being that Mr. Hicks admits in this transcript that he just got out of prison or got out of jail. I think that if the jury were to hear that, that would be extremely prejudicial. We don't know at this preliminary stage whether any of his convictions that put him in jail or put him in prison would be admissible at the trial. Obviously, if the jury heard the transcript, they would know and they would hear from Mr. Hicks that he had served jail time, that he had served prison time. The other thing that's troubling and concerning to the defense, Your Honor, is the fact that there was some mention in this tape or in the transcript, Your Honor, of the defendant dating the victim in this case while she was underage. I think that that would be prejudicial to the defendant. I think that it's an uncharged allegation, or in the juror's mind, they would think that that might be a crime that he's charged with, or that he may have committed a crime by dating her underage. I think that that's extremely prejudicial. I think the biggest thing that we would argue, Your Honor, is there is a gap in time between when this voicemail was recorded or when this conversation was recorded and then when this crime allegedly occurred. The defendants did have a chance to speak to the mother later in a phone conversation. Obviously, that conversation